Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Randy Dwi Kuncoro, grade 20 MM3, skill competent multimedia. This time I will discuss a business proposal, community service, advertising service. I'll praise and gratitude to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who has given His grace and gift so that I can complete a business proposal for public service advertisement with the theme learning to back to school. I try will with all my abilities and work as hard as possible to get good and useful results. In making this proposal, I encountered several difficulties, but thanks to the praise and encouragement of all parties, I was finally able to complete the task of making this proposal. Finally, I say thank you, my Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, repay the good deed to all those who has given encouragement in the preparation of the proposal. Hopefully, this proposal can be useful for me and the reader. Preliminary, a background that this time our country is being hit by the COVID-19 virus disaster, and it is followed by a new virus called Omicron. COVID-19, which means coronavirus, is a large family of virus that causes a number of illnesses ranging from the common cold to respiratory illness. Request to continue to do PGG at home. This will have an impact on their mental health, where they are hit by boredom and anxiety, which can be feared to interfere with learning while at home. However, the government took the right decision because it recorded activity on public roads and recorded the wider spirit of the virus. 1. To educate the public to complete with health protocol. 2. Opening job. 3. To develop my creativity in editing. 4. As a form of experience in entrepreneurial benefit. 1. As a medium of delivery so that people follow government regulation. 2. As a medium of socialization of the importance of public awareness of health protocols. 3. As a teaching medium for the general public to live with positive activity. Next, the target the general public from young children to adults and parents who are directly or indirectly involved in the health protocol. 2. Implementation method. 2.1 Advertising. The ad that I produce here is a back to school themed ad with a duration of 2 minutes. This ad demonstration that is very important to go back to school instead of studying at home, because the effect of online learning are not optimal. not to mention the students who are absent after being absent, to strain to sleep instead of doing homework. At this, indicates that studying at home is less effective. But before participation in PTM, we must follow the protocol given by the school to avoid the dangers of the virus during this pandemic. This ad can be watched by all students. 2.2 Production site. The place of production is in the area of Junior High School Country 59 Jakarta. This location was chosen because it was the filming location for the back to school advertisement. 3. Software used. The software used during the ad video editing process is KineMaster. KineMaster is a smartphone application specifically used for video editing purpose. This application was developed by Next Streaming, a company engaged in the development of multimedia software headquartered in Seoul, Korea. This application was first released in 2013 to be exit on December 29, 2013. 4. At video creation process. 1. Recorded using the best quality camera. 2. The actor is taken from one of the students of Junior High School Country 59 Jakarta. 3. Done at 7.30. 4. The background is get to the classroom. 5. Filming process for almost 3 hours. 9. After the take is finishing of the directly edit using the KineMaster software. Example of advertising product. 3.1 Advertising dim. As an example of an advertisement creative service, we added the process of making a public service advertisement which we entitled Let's Learn Back to School. Pre-production. The reason we gave the title of the ad Let's Learn Back to School is because the theme is suitable for times like today. Because this invitation of the return to school for maximum learning during this pandemic. This that must be done before carrying out the production process is in making public service advertisement are 1. Creating storyboard. 2. Prepare various tools and material. 3. Location production. Thing that must be done when carrying out the production process in making public service advertisement are take a video using the available MD camera and tripod at the prepared location. There are several techniques used in the video capture process, including 1. Extreme long shot. 2. Medium long shot. 3. Medium shot. 4. Medium close. Create opening and special effect on video using Adobe After Effects software. With this software, we can create very good effect on video and have opening with very stunning visual effect, both 2D 2D and 3D effect. Perform video editing using KineMaster. Its purpose is to create a video from the beginning to the end of the ad, thus making this software a key part of making this audio dubbing using Adobe Audience software, and with the help of the microphone tool will make this have a sound so it does not sound boring. See post production. The thing that must be done when carrying out the final stage of production in making public service advertisement are finishing. At this stage, the things that will be done are: 1. Burning finished video file into CD or DVD using Nero Software 7. This software is a program that is most widely used as a media software for burning CD or DVDs. The advantages of this software are faster and easier to burn, auto backup, and authors can copy, share, upload, and make music. Make CD cover and CD labels using other Photoshop software. Then the last step is printing. Closing. Conclusion. In accordance with the context of the proposal, that the community service advertisement video project with the DIM Learning Back to School requires a plan that is laid out systematically to support the smooth running of a video ad project, and also the details of the material and tools need to prepare for the project.